Hello everyone and welcome back to the workshop. In this video, Jessica and I would like to announce what we plan on doing during this Christmas season to increase our charitable giving. Isn't that right, Jess?
That's right. For those of you who were around last year, you may have recalled that we did something for St. Jude, and we announced our donation in our Christmas live stream last year. So this year we're doing something similar, Roy?
Yeah, and so what we want to do this year is we want to offer you out there, our audience and our blacksmithing community, a chance to partner with us again this year in benefit of St. Jude. So we are going to be offering you a 10% off discount coupon code. You can find that linked up down in the description down below. And that will be applied store-wide over at blacksmithingblanks.com. And so you can go over to our website and apply that code to anything that we have in the store, whether it be the treadle hammer kits, the ones with the air assist or not, or any blank of your fancy, or any of the digital downloads. They will all be 10% off to you. And the way that we will also be giving is we'll be taking 10% of whatever is sold throughout November 1st to December 25th, we'll be taking 10% of that and we will be donating that to St. Jude this year. So we're kind of taking last year and we're turning it up by a fuzz. So isn't that right, Jess?
That's right. And one other thing, it won't be applicable with other coupon codes. So if you have one from another promotion we're doing, this is very specific to this one.
Yeah, and the reason why we do that is so this way we can keep all of our math about us straight and we know what's supposed to go where. So please use the coupon code if you want to be a part of this and you want to know that your money that you're supporting us with is actually going to a good cause as well, with going directly to St. Jude there. So, you know, to give them that 10% there. So.
Yeah. And so thank you everybody also who joined us in that last year. I believe it was over $600 that we were able to donate to St. Jude through with your help. Yeah. So we look forward to hopefully topping that this year. That'd be great. Yeah,
that would be amazing. That's the goal this year. I would really like to exceed that number by a lot. If you're not familiar with St. Jude, we are not affiliated whatsoever with them. We don't claim to be. I just really believe in their mission statement, and I really like the work that they're doing. Believe they're doing the Lord's work out there. You can check out them. We'll leave a link to their website down below in the description as well. And I'm talking right now, so she's...
So I remember.
Yeah, Jessica will remember. She'll put it down there, you know. So, and that'll be good. So we'll leave that down there.
Yeah, feel free to donate directly to them too if you believe in their cause as well.
Yeah, exactly. And so we will be doing all this in addition to the Great Blacksmith Christmas giveaway live stream. And that's coming up soon, isn't it, Jess?
That is. Yeah. Time is ticking away.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite time of the year. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. In my opinion, there isn't a better suited holiday to giving and loving on one another than there is in Christmas. So Christmas time is a very special time in my heart. I love being generous. I love giving and just giving and giving till it hurts or until she says stop, huh?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Gotta pull in the reins.
Yeah, gotta pull in the reins a little bit. So we do plan on doing the Great Blacksmith Christmas giveaway live stream this year. There will be the date and the link to that as well down in the description. So basically, if you want to know anything and you haven't been checking the descriptions, what's wrong with you? You should be clicking that little down arrow.
Read it.
Yeah, get down there and read over that. And see what you want to get a part of. I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I invite you to check out all the videos that we've done our past live streams, and if you want to see how that all works. You do have to be in attendance at that Great Blacksmith Christmas giveaway live stream to win anything during that, but we give away thousands of dollars worth of blacksmith tools in that live stream, you know, to just support you all out there, our community, the blacksmith community that has supported us all year long, huh?
Yeah, that's right. For all these many years.
Yeah, all these many years. Yeah, we're coming up on what now? 7 years now on the platform?
So.
Yeah. 7 years, you all have been supporting us and have gotten us to where we are right now. And we really can't thank you enough, can we, Jess?
No, we can't. No. So a big thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Yeah, very much so. We love being the nougaty center of the blacksmithing community, as we're the nucleus, you know, as we're deeming it. You know, we couldn't do it without you, so thank you so much. So again, what is the deal again, Jess?
Yes. So you can use the coupon code down below and you'll get 10% off your order, and then we will donate 10% of the order to St. Jude on your behalf.
Yep, and that is your order total, your total cart total. So if you want to purchase some blanks, and then you want to purchase a treadle hammer kit, and then maybe you want to get a digital download, that is on the entire cart total.
Yep.
So, and that's store-wide.
From November 1st to December 25th.
Yep, so from November 1st to December 25th. Got it. Locked in the vault, right?
Yep.
If it's not locked in the vault, go read the description. Jessica does all that good work.
That's right.
All right, so thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless each and every last one of you out there. Thank you to the channel members and all the community members that watch our channel here at Christ Center Ironworks that make this content possible. God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one.